Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a Google Maps widget into Elementor on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, once you've installed Elementor and activated that plugin, you can then go ahead and add a Google Map widget inside of it. Now, first you need to get your API key from Google, which I have a tutorial on, so I would recommend you check it out if you don't know how to do so. But once you have your API key, you can easily go into Elementor, go into Settings, then navigate to Integrations. And once you're there in integrations, you will have the option to add your API key right over here, and that's going to allow you to use the widget however you would like. Then you just need to save changes, and that should be it. And now you can use that widget. So to use the widget, you just need to drag the Google Maps widget to the canvas like so, and then you can add a specific location if you want, and you can also change the height and the zoom of the window. You can also change the width somewhere, I forget where exactly. Then you can go into style and you can change other things within there, such as the CSS filters if you want to change, for example, the border or anything else. And you can change between normal controls and hover controls, so when you hover over it, something else happens. And you can also click the pencil icon to change the filters. As I mentioned, you can change the contrast, the brightness, blur, saturation, hue. You can, as I mentioned, also go into hover. You can also change the CSS filters for that as well. And yeah, once you've done that, that's pretty much it. That is how you add Google Maps to Elementor. That's how you edit it however you want, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.